Hi, welcome to Creative Ninja. Mockup download link mention in video description. Let's go ninjas. Jump into the creative battlefield. Today I am gonna show you how to create badge mockup. Select Selection tool. Create square shape. Convert to Smart Object. Double-click on Smart Object. Copy badge artwork. Paste into link layer. Save link layer. Duplicate shades layer. Move to front. Create dash line for details. Copy dash layer. Paste on badge layer. Set reflection layer as per your artwork. Then set color correction as per your requirement. Create select for shadow. Follow my video steps. Badge mockup is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. Like, share and hit the bell icon for more interesting tutorials. Thanks for watching my video. 1.